Tumayo kokoro mochango ndo mwaili abamura bana iro bamanya gocha. Abasaba twaito na iro. Now, como ngwano yako na gocha. Timu ya Amerika na neleto situation. Kwetani chiwenze wako twa. Mbare batamanya inie. Tagetaga ndene report ye. Tago weka na weka tabeka. Na vera buyamanye nga nonya bakoranda chibesa bare naenda na baro baruri chibesa cyabo encherere ngao tubana ine tegera tabako enda
Amerika bamanye kuingana abana ba miliyoni Amerika ulitra sales mosracho grupaline majo tumu moenga Masa angelia silingiane chidora 2,000 wakatukulia vitu ndo mwana natakona mtakitikani vile nitambara umaranta vina na imikile pangwana walia kurwa ichuni bara pangwana walia na wasali kurwa ichuni bara so tebi tabi timbo ya kumbuko kiasi kwa kanisa asilimia chete lakini ndio ndio mwa training biaika ndio chavo to appreciate mimi ya makora na bibi atigara mtabo bwana takorenta kwa mara tunambia ndio watu mchokobana ile ndio ndio takumwakile nere so ni tabu bibi aicha vya ilali goliane ya silingi 1,200 angena 30 cha Kenya. Lakini wote hawa so ngoja ni sasa moyoni ndio moyoni muungano yani watu ule ndio tegana kwa na ikia na wako wata kitabu kitakete wata kisha na wako wata ndio na asili so kama ngwana watikata tayari mbona ndio baba wata emere mimi ya wako ndio ndio mwali wako familia mingate wiki nzima bana bamwabo nabo batometa amabati y'enyombo eri shilingi 1,700 kote bamanyabo okay shilingi 700,000 akabeke karabati ya mabati na ambaye ndio wakonja wiki mingate na kama chita ya richoto kweke za Kristi alimalega ya 25 cartons ndio ndio kama fike waki ene onge na jara kwa leo Kristo anatupigia chipati tamu kweke za Kristi maya cha 25,000 omwana wa motarama yosenza chini mwa ngoma ile Joseph atuke mwana chokya no Amerika kwa namo mwako yao na atapigana akatotomera mabati asili ngero kwa 30 tokobeke kanisa hili omwana ogogupelistas ogera kurusano isano ara ayoro Samina noara mwako imu mwenye Usaweta kwa ujara na kwa wale fridge ya 25,000 abana gani mbata kwa chai ngomwe wetu ni kwa metati amambara manyango so gara kwa nana wande manya kwa mate.
Thank you very much, Father. We really did appreciate your invitation, and we are here for the same. Thank you very much. Kwa majina, mimi naitwa Tom Nyagaka. Mtoto wa katekista alikuwa hapa Kikano, alikuwa anaitwa Nelson Nyagaka the late. For a very long time, ndio liko mkatekista Rogorogadia. Because ya kiyetinsa. Na njo mwenyewe na mtamu nani kinaende nani tamuta. Na my friends who are here, go and abali nyangi meza ngenda kusungu. Ngopata iko mnyoko choro. Bibi jokwela inga Nsanyinge Koweresa back father. In fact, we were here, we've been here. Also, the function we had when the speaker was here, because I was the master of ceremony that day. Yes, I was here. And before that, I was there also to fundraise ways to now. I was invited again when I was here. We did some functions. Another function here. I think I've come here more than 3 times. So now that we are here, that time it was Father Mumani from Wekano Parish, of course. Now that this is a new parish, we'll do more with you. We are here to make sure that we work together. And I have a close friend. Again, we did a fundraising. Father is heavy. Can you do this? Thank you very much. We have been here. Now you usually work in this Wekano Parish. You have been doing it like a twin, although he's way younger than me, but I've been taking him as a brother. Evans Angwenyi. Mama Evans Angwenyi. In fact, even this one, Father, what's funny is, I was not invited. I was invited somewhere else, but the Evans called me last night and told me, do you know that you are supposed to go to St. Louis? I said, no, I don't know. Then, because I had a function, I'm like, okay. Because he's not here for a good reason. He was supposed to be here, but because he's traveling requirements and whatever, so he was not able to come. But because of that, because come over this way. This is the team I'm with. The ones who are not here, especially Evans, is well represented. So don't worry that you are not seeing Evans. So let me take 1 minute because in Badikuru Parish, and some of them actually they don't even come from Nyamira County. In Tuga, we don't have, you know that.
You are all Kenyans.
We are all Kenyans. So the other one, whatever you then to be told to water to call the sono. Muna audio the Kowali Alida Variateva. Namana, Muata Vande Gabaraba in Gorra Mure. Muta the Gorra. Mure Gorra. The other the yoga.
Our current Paris.
St. Mary's.
Abakwani ngana buairire mbokali koiraiga. Abakwani biyamole nande. Jasa Maria time ko Dominic. So banya libako nukanga gondo yo mangirere. Ngitini mukator igondo mu PhD. Ekene nona somete kator bigari nyama boys. Koni manyire imaita ndo keke mokokora. So nama tenga mu abu atemu chango yo iga lero. Muna my brother Tom, my elder, onero reko mbega boyo yali karato menyata kom. Nanyora Evans yang Angwenyi. Mo maete. No mo ngino Emily. Wana ngagre simisa akuna biri chairman. Nabo atene banko yane. Lakini na tabange banisaka kwanire. Na tikira gago. Namne kago jaga iga. Igombo bakora. Abana baino nande banjite kanse kabisa genda kubasabirania. Abari gotoka iga. Lakini rende esauli okoranga konyortanya bintu byonse ategere konyora ikega lakini nate abanjirale lakini natoto magaga tomusindikize ikinjengo Rukisi County lakini onde gaga Nyamira kusindikiso mungona ko Evans Angwenyi no tameta como gari Texas bien.
Yes.
Yeah.
kuwapa kushika kwa radio na Evans na nje na bana ngari bona mambi ko mina amo na tayari ngana tina aboka lakini wasema na kuna
I'll make sure I come to the okay.
This morning, Evans and Wayne to she's my daughter, and this is my son-in-law. I'm here to support you guys.
Bueno, en América no hay nje mbanja nje mbomo sana. Você mata de bang ngani? Bang ngani?
Asante Father, you are one of us actually, and we know for sure that we have been coming here, and we are not going to stop. And for sure, the message I have from Evans is, let's attack at Wareta. Omochango wuchawika, ototebie to organize twensi, monomono na moto wuchanyi karasa na haya, torenga omochango yucha wucha. Toche ntundu kani limechango, okoba ntundu bantu wa siasa. Ntundu kuru mochango. Ingiwono kirabe. Tutarata wana chikula toko moria, abantu wakanini na abantu bechikula. Intufata no beka mochango lino byesa ndi chikula chire ntundu ko turi chiwesa. We don't have any reservation. And because of the no ngotera molekuro oyonero mutangani kuru diaspora utware radio twara kotegera amana kuru busimo no ngomwe abakusi kuro radio mwanya unetera mo wakati ngwe kimala leo manyene yabona bali na moko idiata wow because ye chinsa
ente ko chota yo mani singangere ko kana
na ide ente ke amarane engedi ko kwana buya. I think it is one of the agendas, Father. We request you kindly that because okay the on off ngota gire kiya ala kanishi yo nyomba ende ndo tokora ngata yeah oyo no monto tumeta mariyogi na bakesanya kusuna bali seina na omega ono sei dorende ke nimubota ya ngimotumia na unaanza kwa motebia. I think nata ende bwango they will arrange, we will arrange, and they see what we can do. But because of that ndori otokorchi bayase echitwara wewe ejiga chitomire na ichinene iya chibe se chiabanis angwenyi ejina wa na to mirwoni ga ochire 1000 ile ngomora kagire ile ngomora kagire na kiko semwa kala mwamanya 1100 na tumeodewa 1100 kurwa 70 na because as much as antura munantura mambi na narengo muchango na tabanga ndunto ni bana siasa kigwa tomirwe ngotoro tenga ejine jamu na siasa gete ayo karanse ndunto na itiga fada. We don't work like that. Every musani akotomire na ayo kuligire linga ilikuwa kwa kama mvuto gari kwa rona kiokora. And also for me, because Evans is a good friend, na musindisi na 10,000 ekmoteba
mono then
okay oyo nere chairman yeto akatubate kiombegaria na karo mokega Kenya Youth Abroad iginati ne patron nere chairman ya bana bali ba abakeke koriya keke lakini gato ko mweshimwe na acha itere era tira abande kurwari basi na kuriya ni rege yo ngune kwasimura wate wana fata kwasimura ngune kwasimura sababu ndo abone kubwatisia otoi bere yosindikisire abanisi na 30,000 ngoteba also omurario ito oyoto mo omurario ito agato the other side omurario ito ntiri nere obekire otwanda M-Pesa 25 nere obekire osindikisire abanisi na 25,000 ngoteba era no mwanchoye Emily mbakole tubira na abandi bende bate banga na makogenda kuchiono abana babo yunanti anti nayo tabirenga tago changa because barure na eratige kari ne gari yorure 2,500 tekmotera na umro mwabone ro tabirenga na tago tiga na yorure 2,500 tekmotera bora sema kana yewa nisi akorire na kumotera. Thank you very much. Mungu waba na ine. Uyu no muri yana foko.
Omanye te bara ni karachi wote ya.
Come this way.
No na tatomo na bani tubaro. Kire omanye te mbaro kibuya. Iwana atakangira kabaga kagasini. Abana abaino mbakore te gasingiya. Mbakore te gasingiya. Mwigwete buya. Manyanga chibese babekire gaiga. Chons bari mwake sa. Nande paka batu bangari kondi liko na otochanda ekibono igamambi na mambiende yaikira ngatibono muri iwana takatubakira kinko bikingiya kati nande ngaigobono mbarako uyuga kwana buyanga ntoche tocho muchango ngatiro rosibono kinko bikingiya nkire kiri bana rutegiriya cyakare
Diciamo
arrivare ai due
can link. Yeah, I'll do that. And I thank you.
Bueno, no me comienda que dice agua que no mo.
Biche. Yes.
Bueno, nchena kura nilibia na ro nilibia sana. Naende mo yo yuba no ya. Eko tu kwa mo ngopojo.
Yes. Tuko pamoja. So we just get up.